Special video today, early morning motorcycle ride. Just wanted to say hi to Paul and especially to Mrs. H regarding the floral background that I have here. Tell you the truth, I am not the best motorcyclist and I am scared to death. I ride very minimally and anyway, don't know if I'm going to be riding much because I am terrified of traffic. You can see the traffic around here. Kind of moves around, and my experience is mainly on dirt bikes, but I wanted to take a minute to show you this beautiful garden store here. Reminds me of something that Mrs. H and Paul would visit. Nice displays here, beautiful things to see in here. Quickly, so you can get a good view of it. I think those are nice. Beautiful. I think this would be a good place to sit down and have some spicy food for the hot and spicy. Need 3 chairs though, or 4 chairs, or a group. Maybe for Paul and Mrs. H together.